Believe it or not, if you want the YouTube algorithm to promote your videos to more viewers, your current viewer needs to engage with your video. They have to watch your videos for a reasonable amount of time or to the finish line. They have to like your video, share your video, comment on it, and most importantly, subscribe to your channel for more amazing content. But here's the thing, most small YouTubers struggle to keep their viewers engaged, and it's costing them big time in views and subscribers. How do I make my content more interesting that my viewers will watch my video to the very end? Tell a story. People love stories, and it's a great way to connect with your audience. Many YouTube experts say you should tell stories, but they don't explain what that means or how to do it. So let's talk about what storytelling is and how to use it in your videos. You have a character who needs to represent your target viewer, and you want the story to show the character in his current state. Hey, this is where you are now in your journey. Their fears, their struggles, all of their insecurities. You need to show all of this in concise and clear details. The whole point is to have your viewer relate to this character. And as we all know, anyone who has a current state also has a desired state where they want to be. This is the end goal where your viewer wants to be. The story follows the character's transformative journey from their current struggles to their desired state. However, this path to success is not all rainbows and sunshine. There has to be obstacles and setbacks that threaten to derail their progress. These challenges are the core of your story, making it engaging and meaningful. Without them, the story will be dull and uninteresting. So, you focus on creating a narrative that revolves around these obstacles and how the character overcomes them to reach their goals. Here's how to write a script that hooks your viewers with storytelling. Start with a hook that grabs their attention. Highlight their current state and desired state. Share the challenges and problems they face and how your solution can help them. End with a call to action like subscribing or watching a related video. For instance, in this video, I pinpointed my target audience current struggle. Viewers aren't watching their content all the way through. And I also identified their desired state. They want the YouTube algorithm to promote their videos, leading to a surge in their channel's growth. You understand the point, right? Finally, the challenge lies in how they can utilize the free solution I'm offering to craft a compelling script that will significantly improve their retention graph. When crafting your next YouTube script, follow this structure. The first 30 seconds of your video, known as the hook, are crucial in grabbing your target viewers' attention and keeping them engaged until the end. If your hook doesn't capture their interest, they won't watch your video from the beginning. So, subscribe now to be the first to access the upcoming video where I reveal the secrets to creating a compelling hook that will hook your viewers from the start.